Sino yan?
Ay, Patricia!
There, ate!
Arwin!
To Arwin, Trisha, Palos, and Rafi.
Thank you.
Para sa inyong apat. Han, may nakalimutan kang ibaba sa ati.
Hindi, mamaya yun sa kanila.
Sa kanila. Sige.
To Adam!
Wow!
To Arwin! And this is to Jello and Adam.
Parang ba?
Ano ba yung si Santa Claus? Ano bang Santa Claus yan?
Jello Adam!
Jello and Adam.
Yay!
You got a what? Are you going to do?
This is to Patricia!
It's shower gel.
Thank you.
What was that? Shower gel.
Makamali. Thank you.
This is for... Ano?
Yay!
This is for...
Hindi yan para sa kanila. Kay Zaniel yan.
Jello.
Yay! O, bubuksan niya yung mga regalo, ha? Sa'yo yan, Mr. Claus.
Yes. Jello. Ano?
Kung ano-ano lang yun.
Jello.
Thank you, Oli. Ay, parang alam ko to.
Ano? Wala na. Wala na. Wala na. Wala na.
Mom, what's the one under the tree?
Under what? Under the tree? Oh, these are for me. Of course, the two gifts there are for me.
The one on the tree.
Yeah.
Where's the title?
Yeah. Yay.
Well, what's under the tree?
Huh?
Wow, it's pretty. Rafi.
Oh!
Ada.
USB!
Han, kunin mo na yung nasa atik.
Oh, here. Sure.
Yay! Thank you. Thank you, thank you. Oh, this is chocolate.
Oh, thank you.
Is this a credit card? Yeah. For you.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay, Adam, let's go to the attic.
What?
Let's get something for them.
Let's get.
They have to turn around. You have to face there.
Oh, the four of them?
Yeah, the four of them. They have to face there.
Ma, pagka ata yan, oh.
Kailangan face the wall.
Guys, don't look! Bring it!
Thank you! Ay, pare!
Kaya lang orange sa inyo, syempre. O yung isang gift, buksan nyo.
I knew it was gonna be.
Ito, buksan niyo yan.
Have you? Hey guys, I'm gonna open my gift.
Yeah.
Yeah, open it.
That's for all of you, this box.
Thanks you. Open na.
Oh shoot, I want to see your reaction to this one because I know what this is. Wait guys.
Open.
Sirain!
Wait, Amazon.
Ay, wow! Hindi na tayo.
Basahin niyo yung message ni Amazon.
I'm gonna use it when I have the Discovery back.
Oh, what's this?
Yeah, I'm gonna use
What
it.
is this?
What are those?
Kung ano-ano lang.
Oh, wait. Oh, it's a jacket. Woo! Wait.
From Tala.
Oh my god, okay.
Dapat buksan din ni Papa yung kay Arlene.
Oo nga.
Oh my god.
Thank you, thank you.
Hey, hey.
Oh, wait.
It fits.
Yeah.
Aldi!
Wow!
Pangarap niya yan.
Wow!
Where's that?
I know this.
Pangarap niya yan.
Naalala ni Arlene.
Kita mo nga yung mga sinusuot niya, Lidl. Ano?
Meron pang for sale dito. For sale. I will get it. Wow! I can go.
Staff ka na lang, Aldi.
Ayos to. Hindi nila binibenta ko eh. Hindi mo binibenta ko.